Oh, I didn't mean to. It's kind of slimy.
Look, they're all in the middle of the table and you can't get them.
Yeah, it's probably the best place for them.
Get him, Maxie.
Banking in there.
Good boy.
Oh, I'm bleeding.
Are you? Ooh.
I've never heard him make squeal like that.
He's probably hurting his teeth.
No, he's playing.
He has no manners.
That is hilarious.
Dang it, Max.
Come here, Max. Come on, drop it. Sit. Come here. Come
He
here.
won't. Believe me.
Sit.
Good boy.
Drop the ball. Yeah, I don't want the ball. Give me the ball. Drop it.
No.
Drop it. Max. It is in his mouth. Yeah. That's my toe. Drop it.
Put it down.
Would you break it? Give me the ball. Max, let it go. Let it go. No. No. Damn. I can't pull it out.
You want me to?
You think you do?
He dropped it, Mom.
He got mad and got a hold of it.
Oh yeah, he could rip it.
Hey. Hey, drop it.
Hey, Jennifer one day, not intentionally. We were spreading hay.
Come
We
here,
were
sit.
spreading hay, Mom.
Sit.
And she thought it was funny that every time you threw the hay, he would just
He'd get it
and just
sling
go
it.
nuts.
Come on.
He reached up and he got me right here.
Come on.
You got a full ball in his mouth?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.